Morning, afternoon, evening for everybody watching, and welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question under polygon. It says a polygon has the following interior angles: y degree, y plus 10 degree, y plus 20 degree, y plus 30 degrees, y plus 40 degree, and y plus 50 degrees. Find the value of y. Straight up, the first thing we look at, how many sides has the polygon? We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The polygon is a six-sided polygon, and a six-sided polygon is called a hexagon. So let's look at the sum of angles for a six-sided polygon. The sum of angles is given by n minus 2, as 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. N is the side, which is 6 in this case. 6 minus 2, that's 4. 4 times 180 degrees. That will give us 720. 720. Okay, so the total sum of angle in the hexagon is 720. Now, let's find y. That means when I add this, it must equal 720. Therefore, it follows that y plus 10 degrees plus y plus 20 degrees plus y plus 30 degrees plus y plus 40 degrees plus y plus 50 degrees must sum up to 720. So let's collect like terms. 720 degrees. So y plus y plus y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6y. So 6y plus, let's add the figures there. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60 plus 40, that's 100. Plus this, that's 150. Will give us 720 degrees. So from here, we can subtract 6y is equals to 720 degree minus 150 degrees. So we have, this is our 0. From here, 12 minus 5, that's our 7. Then, sorry, this is 720, 150. This is 0, 7, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 6 minus, that's 5, 570, yes. 570 degrees equals to 6y. Divide both sides by 6. It follows that our y equals to this 95 degrees. So the value of y is 95 degrees. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to it. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.